In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cutest!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another DIY. So in this project, I'm going to be creating these super cute DIY baby graphic tee onesies using some transfer paper and a onesie. So for the first part of the project, I'm going to go to Google to find the image that I'm going to use for the front of the onesie. So I found the cover art that I'm going to be using for the image, and I'm going to be using a Cricut. So there's several different file formats that you can use, but I'm going to be using either a PNG or a JPEG. And then after I get my image saved, then I create a new project and I drag my upload into Design Space. And then I make sure to choose complex as the image so that it can really get all of the details that are in the cover art that I'm going to be trying to use. And then I'm going to save the image as a print to cut image, and then I'm going to size the image to match the dimensions that I'm going to be using on the front of the onesie. And you can go with any dimensions that you want to go with. I decided to go with the 5x5 so that it covered the front of the onesie but also left a little bit of space. And then after I get the dimensions that I'm going to be using for the image, then I send the image to the inkjet printer. And then after I get the image printed on the transfer paper from the inkjet printer, then I use a Cricut to get it cut out. And with this project, you don't even have to use a Cricut. So if you don't have one, you can still create this project. You'll just, after you get the image printed out on the inkjet printer, just cut it out yourself. And then after I make my selections on the screen, and then I press the Cricut button to start the cutting. And then I peel the adhesive off of the transfer paper and start to iron the image onto the onesie. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.